Welcome to LifeAID and 7 easy steps that helps you achieve a healthy state of mind.
Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is essential for both physical and mental well-being. It can help to improve your overall health, increase your energy levels, improve your mood, and help you look and feel your best. Unfortunately, many people struggle to make healthy choices in their daily lives. But with a little bit of effort and determination, anyone can make changes to their lifestyle that will improve their health and well-being. One of the most important steps in achieving a healthy lifestyle is to make sure you're getting enough exercise. Regular exercise helps to strengthen your muscles and bones, improve your cardiovascular health, and boost your immune system. It also releases endorphins, which are natural chemicals that can help to reduce stress and improve your state of mind. Aim to get at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking or cycling, every day. If you're new to exercise, start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts as your fitness level improves. Eating a healthy, balanced diet is another key component of a healthy lifestyle. A diet that is rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can provide your body with all the nutrients it needs to function properly. It is also important to limit your intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and saturated fats. Aim to eat a variety of different foods and try to choose foods that are as close to their natural state as possible. Avoid foods that are high in added sugar, salt, and saturated fat. In addition to exercise and a healthy diet, there are other things you can do to take care of your body and mind. Getting enough sleep, managing stress, avoiding smoking, and excessive alcohol consumption can all play a role in maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Aim to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night, and try to go to bed and wake up at the same time each day. If you're having trouble sleeping, try to avoid caffeine and electronics in the evening and establish a relaxing bedtime routine. Managing stress is also important for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Stress can take a toll on your physical and mental health and can lead to a variety of health problems. To manage stress, try to find healthy ways to cope with stress, such as exercise, meditation, or talking to a friend or therapist. Avoid using unhealthy coping mechanisms, such as overeating, smoking, or drinking alcohol. Smoking and excessive alcohol consumption can also have a negative impact on your health. If you smoke, try to quit. There are many resources available to help you quit, such as nicotine replacement therapy, counseling, and support groups. If you drink alcohol, try to limit your intake and always drink moderate.
Let us tell you more about how to maintaining a healthy lifestyle. We will soon tell you about the 7 easy steps that helps you achieve a more preferred state of mind. A healthy lifestyle will give you more energy and make you feel better overall. Write a comment about your thoughts about this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more inspirational videos from us. Remember that you are our inspiration. Let us follow this journey together.
To get started on the path to a healthy lifestyle, try setting small, achievable goals for yourself. This could include things like going for a walk every day, eating more fruits and vegetables, or getting to bed at a consistent time each night. As you achieve these goals, you can start setting bigger and more challenging goals for yourself. Setting realistic goals will help to keep you motivated and will make it easier to stick to your healthy habits. Here comes some easy steps that you can take to reach a healthy lifestyle with a relaxed state of mind. Start your day with a healthy breakfast. Take breaks during work. Incorporate more physical activity to your daily routine. Set aside time to relax and de-stress. Get enough sleep. Surround yourself with positive people. And last but not least, reflect on your accomplishments and set new goals. In addition to setting goals, it's important to find ways to make healthy living fun and enjoyable. Try to find activities that you enjoy, such as dancing, hiking, or swimming, and make them a part of your regular routine. Surround yourself with people who support and encourage your healthy habits, and try to make healthy living a part of your social life. Another important aspect is to take care of your mental health as well. Research has shown that there is a strong link between physical and mental health. By taking care of your body, you can also improve your mental well-being. Incorporate activities that promote relaxation and mindfulness, such as yoga, meditation, or journaling into your daily routine. Also, make sure to set aside time for yourself to relax and de-stress. Finally, it's important to reflect on your accomplishments and set new goals. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may be, and use them as motivation to continue on your journey towards a healthier lifestyle. Remember to be kind to yourself and understand that setbacks are a normal part of the process. Just remember to celebrate small wins. In conclusion, taking care of your body and mind is an ongoing process, but by setting goals and making small changes to your lifestyle, you can improve your health and well-being. Incorporating exercise, a healthy diet, enough sleep, managing stress, avoiding smoking, alcohol consumption, and taking care of your mental health into your daily routine will help you reach a healthy lifestyle with a relaxed mind. Remember to be patient with yourself and know that change takes time. So let's take the first step towards a healthier and happier you today.
That's all for this time. Remember to subscribe for more inspirational videos. And leave a comment about what you do to reach a healthier lifestyle. See you next time.